Hey, how's it going, guys? Just wanted to make a quick instructional video on how to install the latest version of my Veteran Streams application. So the first thing we're going to do is you have to make sure that you already have the Filelink application installed, and it looks like this. I have a totally separate video on talking you through how to install that application, so you can view that one. But for this video, we're already saying that you have Filelink installed and you're going to install the Veteran Streams application. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to settings, and then next you're going to go over to My Fire TV. You're going to go to developer options. You're going to make sure that these two options are turned on. We'll hit the back button. We'll hit the back button again. Next, we'll go over to applications and select that. Next, we'll click on manage installed applications. All right, we'll scroll down to Filelink. They're all in alphabetical order. And we'll select that. And then we'll select the launch application. All right, so once you get on this screen, if you just download Filelink, you won't have a code present, so feel free to utilize my code, which is 357-159-86, and that will allow you into my file store. All right, so the code's already put in. We'll hit continue. And we'll let this load up, let all the apps and everything load up. You see it has my website as well as my contact info. If you see this pop up, just hit dismiss. All right, so, and for this video, the only thing we're gonna download is the TV guide. So we'll scroll down to Veteran Streams TV Guide, VIP, and we'll click that. And that starts the download process, going quick. All right, so that finished. So we'll go ahead and click it again to install it. Click on install. It's now installing. All right, once that's installed, we'll click open. All right, you're gonna be on this screen. You'll click login. You'll click account login. For any name, you're just using your profile, so you can just type in your first name. I'm just gonna put in J for me. All right, and then next you'll put in your username. For this video, I set up just a temporary account. Your username will be the username that I provide to you via text message or DM if you're communicating with me via Instagram. So for this one, it's gonna be free and TV. Yeah, so this username and password I put in is not your username and password. So if you try it, it's not gonna work. And then we'll hit next. So we have the username and password in there. Next, we're on this box where it says include VOD. We're gonna uncheck that because there is no VOD. We'll go over to next, select that. All right, so it's processing right now. All right, so it says it's processed. We'll go ahead and click done. All right, this box comes up, you just click OK. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, on our remote control, we're going to just select any channel. So I'll just select this one right here. And you see the center button of that circle, right? This is what you usually push to select things. We're gonna long press it, meaning we're just gonna push it down and hold it down until a box pops up on the right-hand side. There we go. So I'll go down to settings. I'm gonna click on general. I'm gonna turn off this option because it's on. Then I'm gonna use the back button of my remote, which is the button right there where you see the little arrow. Let me see, there it is. This one right there. So we'll use the back button. Then we're gonna go to TV Guide. We're gonna turn on these two options, update on app start. update on playlist change. Then we'll select the back button again. Next we'll go to appearance. We're gonna make the font size a little bit bigger for, let's put on large. That's usually the best for people. Then hit the back button again. Then using the remote, you see how it's a circle. We're gonna just push over to the left. It brings up the categories. If by any chance that you have young children that are using this and you want to disable the adult section, which is right there, all you would have to do is once you have the adult section highlighted, we're gonna long press it, and it brings up this, and then you just go to hide group, and it'll take it off. It'll take it off your list. All right, so we have all our channels. So USA's, everything's pretty self-explanatory. Pay-per-view, this is where on the day of the pay-per-view, you'll see the pay-per-view pop up there. I only updated the day of. You have your local section. It's grouped from by state and then by city. So best way to look at this, so it's Birmingham, so that's Alabama, of course. We're rolling down, we're in Florida. Keep going. Still in Florida, Georgia, or Hawaii, Indiana, so HI, and likewise. So you can find your locals, and let's say if you wanted to make one of your locals your favorite, there's a way you can do that. We're gonna do the long press, which means just hold down the center button. So let's say, I'll go down. Let's say if I lived in Baltimore or near Baltimore, I would select those. I would long press it, and you see that same box pops up. I'm just gonna go down to the star, add the favorites, just hit the center button, and what it just did, it added it to my favorites. And I'll do a couple of those so you guys can see. All right, I'm gonna hit over to the left and keep going through. So we have this is all Spanish channels, and I believe they're regional based. You have a USA section, which starts, all your premium movie channels are first. Then it goes down, then A through Z, your regular cable channels. And then for your ABCs and everything like that, it has, they're regional. So it's gonna be the New York, LA, Chicago, Texas. So those are all regional locals. So you see what's playing right now. So let's say if I wanted to click on it once, starts playing. If I click on it again, it makes it bigger. So that's how you do it. And then if you want to go back to the main screen, you just hit the back button, and there you go. You're back searching. If you want to switch categories, push over to the left. So it takes a little bit of while to play with it. Say if I wanted to make BT my favorite, and let's do one more, because I'm gonna go back and show you guys what favorites look like at the end. All right, music channels, those are just your music videos. If I want to watch some, listen to some music, there we go. Same thing. And you got the kids section. Then you scroll down. Your sports networks, that's where all your ESPNs and everything are gonna be. Fox Sports and your regional Fox Sports. You actually have the NBA pass, so I think there should be a game on now. There we go. So that's on right now. For these, just don't look at what the guide is saying. It's more so about what they said. The game came on at 1:30, so this one should be about to come on. Same thing for all sports, even baseball. So So they're saying this should be on too. There you go. Crystal clear HD. You got a full sports package that you're right available to you. Latino it has all the American channels, but they're just in Spanish. So we got Latino HBO, Latino HBO 2. There you go. Oh, I made a mistake and clicked out of that. Let's hit the home button. And just goes right back off where you left off at. And Canadian is self-explanatory, and then Caribbean is as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's Veteran Streams in a nutshell. You won't have to update this. It automatically updates the settings every time you log in. So that makes things pretty easy. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. I do allow for 48-hour trials for new customers, so you can always try it before you buy it. Thanks again for your business, and I hope you guys have a good day.